In my spiritual time, while practicing, I felt blissful energies that made my every problems easy in life. I'm sharing this here in Maha Shivasthitaa, and I believe sharing always increase. In this series, I'm focusing on major 12 PARIs or chakras one by one. This is a simple yet effective healing method. This is a series of healing to improve the condition of PARI or chakra. Our chakra or our PARI is the reason of our success and our failure. So let's just add strength to each PARI. Make sure you are completing the process of healing fully. So shall we start? First, what we need to do, we need a peaceful environment to practice it daily. So light incense stick to have the divine feeling. So sit comfortably straight. Make sure your back is straight. It's important to follow as we are focusing today in the base energy. MOOL energy or base energy is highly responsible for want to grow physically and mentally. Base energy is the reason of being rich materially, money. We know, yes, money comes from base energy. So one must strengthening his or her or their roots. So close your eyes now. Base PARI or the MOOL PARI is the base of the spine, while the coccygeal point is. So focus and feel your base, MOOL PARI. Now focus or accumulate your energies into your MOOL PARI or MOOL chakra or basic chakra. Now listen to me deep. You have to just focus continuously on the MOOL PARI, which we know as by the name of basic PARI or basic chakra, that lies exactly at the base of the spine. So focus and feel your base, MOOL PARI, and listen. Now I will start the healing with the sound of Om continuously, and it will continue give the strength to your exact PARI what is been said. Now I'll start the healing with the sound of Om, and in every Om sound you have to absorb the strength to your base energy. The vibration will directly add strength in physical realm as well as mental realm preferably. I hope that you already have set all the possibilities to begin the magic. And this Om sound will continue to the end of the video. So just let's begin the magic. So sit comfortably, make sure your back is straight, and it's important as we are focusing today in the base energy. Om